So guys, this is one of the simple way to make money online. There is this website which is called Honeygain. So what Honeygain is doing is that it's allowing you to make money by sharing your internet connection. So this is Honeygain. So what you have to do is to click on the first link below this video and it's going to take you to Honeygain. Then the next thing you have to do is to create your account. So let me show you how you can create your account. So once you land on Honeygain app like this, you can land either through your smartphone or through your computer. You are going to land on those websites and you are going to click on the area where it said get started. So once you click on get started, it's going to bring you here. So this is the sign up page of this website, which is called Honeygain. And what you have to do is to enter your Gmail account here, which is your Gmail account, and you enter your password and you click on continue. And they are going to send you an email. On this your email, you are going to click on it and verify your account, and that is all you just have to do. You don't need to do any other thing. And is when you have started making money, then you are going to go back to your dashboard and enter how you plan to receive your money, or you can just enter how you plan to receive your money directly on this platform. So for you to just join this program, which is called Honeygain, you are going to get $5 bonus to just join this program. And if you are referring people to this program, you are going to be making 25% from anyone that you refer to this program, which is called Honeygain. So if we scroll down here, you can see that they are recognized by all these companies here. And it's not just only all these companies that you can see here, which is Forbes, Entrepreneurs, Yahoo, Benzinga, and IBT. So a lot of all these companies, they know about this website, which is called Honeygain. So let us see the traffic that Honeygain is getting every single month. If I check it on SimilarWeb, and SimilarWeb is going to pop this up and they are going to show us that this website is getting roughly 6.8 million visitors every single month. And on Trustpilot, this website have received 688k review on Trustpilot. That is one thing that you need to look at too. All these things are legit stuff that you need to look at before you start using this type of website. So they have lucky day pots. Like this pot is like a lottery on their platform. So they are doing this just to just make their application fun, you know. So they have this daily and you can win up to 100 Honeygain coin. And if you refer anyone to this program, on the normal end is 20%. You are going to earn 20% lifetime from the earning that the person is making. And they have the achievement reward, which means if you are earn up to 500 Honeygain credits, you unlock this achievement reward, and there's a lot of goodies that is on this reward. So content delivering is every day 24 hours. Honeygain credits is 24 hours. So every day you are going to be getting like 144 credits every single day. And if you scroll down, why you should choose them, these are the reasons why you should choose them. Cash or crypto payout, request your money via PayPal or turn on jump task mode and earn out of that. So what they are on jump task is like you are investing your money and you get interest in that. Flexibility sharing, decide when you want to share and when you want to pause. So always you can always get back to earning again. So what they are doing here is that they give you an option on the application to decide if you want to start using their website, which is called Honeygain, to start making money, or you can stop it if you know that it's consuming your internet connection or they are taking your data from you. So if you don't trust them, you can just pause them and stop using them, you know, if you see that some of your data are being taken by them or is distributing in other platforms. And they are talking about the safety in every step. Look what he's saying here. Safety in every step. We take various security measures to ensure your privacy while you use Honeygain. So that is what they are saying. They are saying that they don't take any thing that concerns to you. So they are just letting us know that only what they are doing is just taking internet connection only. We know that it's not just only that. So if you want to use this application, you need to understand that there is risk. You are giving your information, which is your internet connection. So just know that they are taking more than that. So for some people, they will just say, oh, they are not taking a lot of information, but they are taking more than that. But why I'm recommending you guys to use this app is that you are using Facebook and YouTube and on this whole platform. They are taking a lot of information from us, but they are not paying us and we are not getting anything out of it. So why you don't want to just share your own internet connection on this program and make money from it? So I don't know, but you just have to decide on that. Do your research before you can decide if you want to give this application permission to run on that your smartphone. Every other thing that you are going to see at the bottom is like FAQ, frequently asked question, and that is everything that they have. And they have a referral program. When I click on refer a friend, it's going to take us to the refer program, which you can see here. On this area, you can see refer a friend and get 20% bonus. That is one thing that you need to understand here. So 20% of that is like up to 1,000 credit from anyone that use your referral link. So that is it, and that is just what I want to show you that concerns this application that is called Honeygain. And one thing that I want to still let you know is that Honeygain app is not available on Google Play Store. You can only download it on their own, on their official website. So anyone that is telling you that you should download Honeygain app on Google Play Store is lying. Honeygain app is only available on their own official website, which is what you are seeing here. When I click on this area where it said download, it's going to take us to this area, and you are going to see that you can download their software on your Apple or Windows, any software that you are using. I think they have everything for you. So all you just need to do is to download it. Either you can download it on your like Mac. If you are using Mac, it's available. If you are using Windows, it's available. If you are using iPhone, it's available. If you are using Android, it's available. So once I click on download now, it's going to be downloaded. I'm going to install it on my computer and start running it on my own computer. So let me take you to my own account. So as you can see, this is my own Honeygain dashboard. So I'm showing you from my own computer, and I have I'm using their two accounts, which is the Honeygain wallet, and I'm using the Jump Task wallet. So the Jump Task wallet, any money you make on Jump Task, you are reinvesting the money, and you like the money is growing in value. That is one thing that I like about the Jump Task earning. And the Honeygain earning is that the whole money you are earning is just the same. It's not increasing in value. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. And as you can see, I have $22.58 currently right now in my own account. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. So the minimum amount to cash out, if you want to cash out your money out of Honeygain app, is $20. You can see I can withdraw my money out if I want right now, but I just leave it here because I have been using this application and I have been making money with it. So I just want to leave it there and keep it just to be running and keep up making me money. So that is just what I just have to show you here. And when I click on this area where it says Lucky Pot, which is what I told you from the beginning, you will see that it's going to bring us here. We are going to click on the pot. So once we click on the pot, you can see congratulations, your Honeygain coin have been added, which is 2 coin. So I just earned 2 coin. I'll click on OK, and it's going to be credited into my account, and that is it. And at the bottom here, you can see that I have referred 45 people. If you want me to be your referrer, you can use the link in the description. And at the bottom here, you will see the devices that I am using. I am only using 1 device. There was a time I was using 3 devices, but I have to remove them. And now I am using only 1 device. And that is it. So if you scroll down here, you can just look through their FAQ and every other information. and you can see the amount of money you are getting from just the gathering, and the amount of money you have win, and the money that you have done you yourself. So you can see everything here in the last 30 days. So that is everything I want to show you here. There's no any other. You already know how you can receive your money. So to receive your money, like I said, you receive your money either through PayPal or through crypto, or you can reinvest the money. So that is how you can make money with this application or website, which is called Honeygain. So Honeygain is available in all devices. Just think about it before you start using it. That is only what I just have to say in this area. So if you come by earning graph, you can see this day I earn 33, and this day I earn 49, this day I earn 34. So it just depends. It's just depend on them. So they are just doing everything on their own terms. So only what you just have to do is to make sure that you have internet connection, give the application permission to run on your smartphone, and you are good to go. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video. Only what I'll ask from you is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think. If you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that will pop up right now. I will see you on my next upcoming video. See you soon.